Sa tatlo.
Dito sa isa ka din sa mga so talagang you are building business for the need.
Sarap sa feeling kasi ngayon natin sa beginning. Do a lot of things. Kasi since I started show business na yun na talaga yung ginagawa ko is to support an advocacy for a cause. So parang kulang kulang pag showbiz lang. Hindi well-rounded. Kumbaga, kailangan lahat kasi in life kasi you must have this certain balance of everything para maging steady ka. Kasi pag masyadong binuhos yung oras mo sa isang bagay na lagi mong ginagawa, mas nakaka-burnout eh. So ito yung pinaka diversion ko, yung pinaka-eject button ko for the meantime or for na mabilisan lang para mabalik ako dun sa dating natin. Mag-ground ako.
Kasi Alden, iba yung ngiti na nabibigay sa mga fans mo pag sa album. Pero I'm sure, ibang dimension ito every time you see somebody smile na nagkaroon sila ng bagong bagay.
Yes, of course. Iba kasi yung feeling kay Nelson na in your own small way, nakatulong ka sa mga kababayan natin, especially those who number one kasi yung struggle natin. Here in the Philippines is mga kababayan natin na homeless. It's a big part of Habitat for Humanity. In a way, we're helping lessen that problem sa lugar natin. So, in building houses, since I started with Habitat, sabi ko sa kanila, every birthday month, every year, iba-ibang house, parang let's partner with, let's say, an event or ganyan, and then we'll be more than willing to support. And I'll be more than willing to be there.
That's right. And your dad builds,
yes.
building houses.
And then at the same time kasi, yung mga kabataan, especially na looks up to us, in a way, we're also encouraging them na samahan kami din sa advocacy.
Nahatak mo sa pag-build ng house.
Oo naman, may dad na ngayon sa lagi when it comes to charity work.
That's right.